In this video, I'm going to show you how to make revisions to your spreadsheet. If you click up here at the top, right next to where it says Help, it will say when your last edit was made. Okay? So if you hover over this, you'll notice it says every change you make is automatically saved in the drive. So if you click this button, you will notice that it's underlined and it's actually a hyperlink. So when you click it, it'll bring up your revision history. And if you look over here on the side, this will actually color code and show you who has made revisions to your spreadsheet. So for example, if you had your spreadsheet shared with the resource room teacher, social worker, school psychologist, and other people were documenting on your spreadsheet, it would actually color code according to who documented on each student. So you'd be able to tell who made each of the revisions. Now let's say your spreadsheet is not formatting correctly. At any given time, you are able to click on any of these, which as you can see, they are organized by the date and the time. You can click on any of them and it will bring up a preview of what it looks like for that version. Now at the bottom here, you can click where it says Show More Detailed Revisions, and this will break it down even further. So when you click this, you will notice that the times will actually change, okay? So Show More Detailed Version, it will actually go by the minute. So here it's 12:49, 12:49, 12:49, 12:48, 12:48. So it actually updates by the second. And if you wanted to scroll down, you could go all the way back to the very beginning. You could click the very first one, and if you wanted to, you could restore that version of the spreadsheet. So if your spreadsheet is not formatting correctly, worst comes to worst, you could always go back to your revision history and scroll all the way down to the very first entry and restore that version. Okay? So that's how you access your revision history. This is extremely beneficial if there's ever an error or something is not working correctly. You can go back and you can restore versions from the same day, from the day before, and you can view them, which is very helpful to see when edits have been made. And like I said, if you click the more detailed version here, you can look at the spreadsheet and it will update by the second.